Storms overtake, clocks cease to shake, homeless forsake, dream I'll create, burns to remake, craft dictates the fate I've made, where echoes rave, when stars can't say, can we bend the way? Void expanse, the world I see, crimson floods, the moon's decree, light ripples through time's debris, beats my story. Where the hands that write my story, where the chains that lock my glory, where the lies